Hello students, today's video is on the gate statistics paper solution. It will be a direct solution I will be doing in a as easy as possible manner. So this is for testing the null hypothesis H0 against H1, the significance level alpha 01. The statement is, which of the statement is correct? Okay, so first size of a test size is equal to supremum of theta belongs to theta 0 ऐसे लिख सकते हैं and reject H0. That's it. So now here at level alpha, that means size is less than equal to alpha. ठीक है? So uniformly most powerful UMP is the test is UMP. The test is UMP if among all level of alpha test, it has the longest path for every parameter H1. Okay. So what is the unbiased test? Power H1 meaning the test rejects at least, कैसे reject करेगा? When H1 is true and H0 H1 is true as when H0 is true. तो क्या है? UMP equal to लिख सकते हैं UMPU and that is equal to unbiased. ठीक है? ये बहुत जरूरी है. Now check the options. Uniformly ये जो दिया हुआ है, uniformly most powerful test always exists. नहीं, it's a false. So जैसे H0 बहुत मोटा हो गया. H0 mu equal to mu 0, H1 mu not equal to mu 0. ठीक है? So there is no UMP test, so it's a false. If a UMP test exists, then its size alpha. So size is actually less than equal to alpha. So in this case, this is also false. So if a UMPU test exists, then it is necessary UMP. So UMPU is the most powerful unbiased test only. So UMP equal to UMPU, but not conversely. तो ये भी नहीं है. लास्ट वाला ही फिर बचता है और वही सही है. UMP test maximizes theta belongs to H1, so power of theta greater than equal to alpha. So this is the unbiased, so D is the correct answer.